Today, we're going to look at a digital agency called 10up. And what's so interesting about them is that they're not just building amazing websites, they're really crafting a new model for how work gets done. I mean, they build these super high stakes digital experiences for clients like, the White House, and they do it all without a central office. So, how do they pull that off? Let's find out. Okay, so to really get how 10up works, we've got to start with their core philosophy. And it's a big one. See, they don't just think of themselves as coders or developers. They see themselves as craftsmen. This one sentence, this is basically their entire mission statement. And you got to pay attention to that key phrase, finely crafting. Think about it. In a world that's all about templates and quick and dirty fixes, 10up is saying, no, we're artisans. They're digital craftsmen who are obsessed with quality, and they're doing it for the people who actually power the web, the content creators. Now look, a bold mission like that needs some serious proof to back it up, right? Talk is cheap. So let's actually take a look at the kind of company they keep and the projects they've been trusted with. And yeah, their portfolio really does speak for itself. The projects they take on are incredibly high stakes. We're talking about rebuilding whitehouse.gov, completely transforming the California DMV's website, working with major European political outlets. These aren't just pretty websites. A lot of them are basically critical pieces of public infrastructure. That just shows you the immense amount of trust that they've earned. Showing off the work is one thing for sure, but hearing directly from their partners, well, that gives us an even clearer picture of the kind of impact they're making. Wow, I mean, an endorsement from a giant like Microsoft carries a ton of weight. And the key phrase here for me is consistently delivers. It's one thing to knock a single project out of the park, but to deliver consistently on every single level, that points to a process and a team that are just operating on a whole other level. And this one really highlights their long-term impact. This isn't about one good year. A 15-year time frame coming from a director at Wired shows that 10up is seen as one of the absolute best partners in the entire tech and media world, year in and year out. So what's crucial here is that subtle shift in language. They're not just a vendor anymore. The former CEO of TechCrunch is saying, "We could not have done it without you." That shows they get so deeply involved in their clients' missions that they become totally indispensable. They're true partners. So this brings up a really fascinating question, right? We've seen what they do, and we've seen how highly everyone thinks of them. But how is this team actually structured to get these kinds of amazing results, time after time? Where do you even find these people? Well, the secret to their success really lies in how they operate. They've tossed out the idea of a traditional office. Instead, they run things as a kind of global digital workshop. And there it is. That's the answer. It's so simple, but so powerful and direct. And look, this isn't just some clever tagline they came up with. It's the absolute core of their entire philosophy. They built their company around this radical idea that the best talent isn't all sitting in one building or one city. And this is what that philosophy looks like when you put it into practice. By building a totally distributed team, they can literally hire the best strategists, engineers, and designers on the entire planet, no matter where they happen to live. And this isn't just about saving money on an office, it's about getting access to a talent pool that is just massively larger than any single city could ever offer. They aren't limited by geography, they are absolutely empowered by it. So they combine this huge global reach with a really strong presence in major US hubs. And this gives their clients the best of both worlds, right? You get access to this incredible worldwide pool of talent, but you also have team members who are available in your time zone and, if you really need it, can even be on site. It creates this flexible, resilient network that's both enormous and at the same time deeply connected. So what does this all mean in the end? This unique, remote-first way of doing things creates two really clear opportunities for anyone who's inspired by what they're doing. It really boils down to this dual call to action. It's super clear. On one side, if you're a client who needs something built, you get access to this global network of absolute pros for your next big project. And on the other side, if you're a top-tier professional yourself, you have the chance to join this amazing team and do world-class work from literally wherever you are. And that really is the thought to leave you with. 10up success seems to prove this incredibly powerful idea for the future of work. I mean, if you remove all the geographical barriers and focus purely on skill and collaboration, the possibilities just become truly limitless. It really makes you wonder, what can't be built?